Mr. Chris, the allegation is that on or about March 29th, you assaulted Michael Kurth in Three Rivers. It's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. How do you plead to that charge?
Before I plea, I'd like to have it put on the record that they're, for the alleged actions, they're trying to charge me twice. They're trying to charge me with an assault and battery as well as violating a restraining order for the same actions.
Well, they can do that.
Why?
It's two different things.
But it's the same action, isn't that double jeopardy?
No. Let's say you have a trespass order and you're not supposed to trespass on a piece of property, and you enter into the property and punch somebody. Well, they can charge you with trespassing and the assault. So yeah. I'm assuming you wish to plead not guilty to?
But that's violating two different laws. I supposedly violated with the same action. It wasn't two different things. They're trying to charge me with the same action for two different cases. That's not, I mean.
All right, well, if you want a lawyer, I'll get you one.
Yeah.
Buckle up, guys. Today, we're stepping into a courtroom moment that immediately grabs attention. From the very beginning of the hearing, Chris pushes back against the charges, insisting that he's being punished twice for the same alleged incident. His argument quickly shifts the focus from a routine arraignment to a debate over how the law applies. What follows is a tense exchange between Chris and the judge. As Chris repeatedly raises the issue of double jeopardy, the judge firmly explains why the two charges are considered separate under the law and refuses to accept his argument. The confusion and frustration continue to build, creating an increasingly tense atmosphere that makes it clear this hearing is only the beginning of a much larger legal battle.
I didn't do anything anyways, but from what they said, that from the affidavit that they gave me, the action.
Who has the which judge has the restraining order?
Patterson. I have not an arraignment. I mean, I guess it'd be a preliminary exam conference tomorrow morning with him. Because they're saying I violated the restraining order by assaulting him.
Okay, well, all right, we'll sort that out. Set attorney pretrial for July 12th, 2024.
As the hearing continues, more details begin to emerge. Chris continues to deny the allegations, but he struggles to clearly explain his position. With each response, the discussion becomes more complicated, and the courtroom atmosphere shifts from a routine plea hearing to a much more serious legal proceeding. What initially appeared to be a straightforward case quickly develops into a broader legal dispute involving a restraining order and additional court proceedings. While Chris continues trying to defend himself, the judge keeps the case moving according to the legal process. The exchange highlights how quickly a case can grow more complex when multiple legal issues are connected to the same set of allegations.
$75 worth of unpaid fines and costs. He has a controlled substance case from 2021 where he owes $175. He has a defective equipment case where he owes $125. He has a previous assault and battery, 221627, where he owes $275. He has disturbing the peace, where he got the minimum fine of $125. He hasn't paid that, 222147. And he has a felony resisting and obstructing reduced to a misdemeanor, attempted resisting and obstructing. He owes $475 and he hasn't paid anything on that. So why don't you please take Mr. Christ into custody?
Can we please talk about this?
Yeah, you go back into jail and
I have my vehicle outside and stuff though.
Yeah, okay, you go back here and I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Today?
Yeah, right now. You're going into lockup.
No, are you going to talk to me today?
Yeah. You keep getting charged with assault crimes, and then you don't pay any of the fine. I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Okay.
Hi.
Mr. Joshua Lee.
Hey, I was thrilled to come in this morning and find that adjournment in the CAP case.
Oh, were you? Are you being sarcastic?
No, it's like the fifth time it's been adjourned, and he's like a previous. Well, why didn't you tell me about that when I said it?
And he's here on another one this morning for a pretrial. For an MDOP.
Mr. Miller's car.
So, I don't know.
I thought that video was
I've got an in custody too I need to see, but,
Okay.
so,
I'm gonna have you come back when I deal with Mr. Christ, but
Yeah, that's fine.
he, needs to sit and think about it.
This is the moment when the hearing takes a dramatic turn. The court begins reviewing Chris's unpaid fines and prior offenses one by one, revealing a much broader history than the single charge that brought him into court. What first appeared to be an isolated incident suddenly becomes part of a larger pattern that the judge cannot ignore. After considering his record, the judge wastes little time ordering Chris into custody. Even as Chris attempts to speak and ask questions, the decision has already been made. The scene serves as a powerful reminder that in court, a person's prior history can have a significant impact on how quickly events unfold once the judge has all the relevant information. If you found this courtroom breakdown insightful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future courtroom cases and legal analysis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.